Argan oil offers anti-inflammatory benefits for flakes and dandruff, without clogging pores. Gently massage into scalp, leave overnight, and rinse out in the morning. Apricot kernel oil offers soothing relief for scalp issues like dandruff, itchiness, and dryness, hydrates the scalp, and reduces flakiness, promoting healthy scalp conditions. Citronella oil, with its high limonene and methyl isoeugenol content, effectively reduces sebum oil production on the scalp, aiding in managing oily hair, soothing dry scalp, eliminating dandruff, and preventing head lice. Carrot seed oil is a natural remedy for dry, itchy, or flaky scalps, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing dandruff. It contains essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, potassium, and phosphorus, which support hair health and prevent scalp issues. Cardamom oil, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can reduce scalp inflammation and treat dandruff. It can be used as a hair mask or rinse, promoting healthier hair and preventing scalp infections. Combining it with a dandruff treatment can yield positive results. Camphor oil is a natural pain reliever that reduces skin irritation and itchiness on the scalp in a very effective way. The best way to use it is to combine it with menthol or dilute it with pure coconut oil. Over time, it works on scalp irritation and inflammation, and reduces it to a great extent. Black seed oil may soothe the scalp, reduce flakiness, and sensitivity due to its fatty acid content, potentially improving skin moisture. Amla oil is known to soothe dry, irritated scalps by providing a cooling effect and reducing itching. Argan oil is known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, which can also help alleviate itching or sensitive scalps.